Ever wondered how to buy that Bitcoin you keep hearing about, or maybe you've got your eye on a hot new altcoin? Well, you're going to need a crypto exchange, and Kraken is a popular option for many traders. But before you can start building your digital portfolio, you'll need to fund your account. So, how exactly do you deposit money onto Kraken? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up. Deposit options and fees can vary depending on your location. But this guide will cover the general process and highlight some key things to look out for. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Gear up and sign in. First things first, you'll need a Kraken account. If you haven't already, head over to their website and sign up for one. The process is pretty straightforward, just make sure you have a valid ID and email handy. Once you're logged in and ready to roll, find the deposit option. It might be labeled deposit or funding depending on the Kraken interface you're using. Step 2. Choosing your weapon deposit methods. Alright, now for the fun part. Kraken offers a variety of ways to fund your account. Here's a rundown of the most common ones. Bank transfer. This is a popular option, especially for larger deposits. Just choose your local currency and the funding provider, which will be Kraken's bank details. Make sure you double-check the reference number they provide. Including it in your transfer description helps them identify your deposit quickly. ACH transfer, limited availability for our US viewers. This might be an option. It allows for near-instant deposits using your bank account, but there might be a waiting period before you can withdraw those funds. Credit/debit card. This is a super convenient option for smaller, quick purchases. However, be aware that credit card deposits often come with higher fees, so keep that in mind. Step 3. Filling your war chest deposit details. Once you've chosen your deposit method, you'll need to enter the amount you want to add to your account. Review any fees associated with that particular method. Kraken is pretty transparent about their fees, so you shouldn't have any surprises there. Finally, carefully follow the instructions provided for your chosen deposit method. This might involve copying Kraken's bank details for a transfer or following on-screen prompts for a credit card purchase. Step 4. Patience, young Padawan. Deposits can take some time to process, depending on the method you choose. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while ACH transfers or credit card purchases might be quicker. Kraken will keep you updated on the status of your deposit, so you can usually track it within your account. Step 5. Time to trade. Once your deposit is confirmed, the funds will be available in your Kraken account. Now comes the exciting part. You can finally start buying and selling cryptocurrency. Remember, deposit methods and fees can vary depending on your location. Double-check all the information before initiating a transfer. Be patient, deposits might take some time to process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.